How to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok on Android device. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure that you sign into your account. Tap on the magnifying glass at top right corner of your screen. So these are all your recent searches below the search bar. You can easily tap clear all to remove your search history if you have. But here I don't see that, but you can easily long press on this particular uh, related search and then select not interested. TikTok will show fewer similar suggestions. To further reduce personalized suggestions, you can easily go to your profile at bottom right corner of your screen. Navigate to menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Select setting and privacy and from here you need to tap on notifications. Now here you need to locate personalized post suggestions and make sure that you disable all the options like posts from people you may know, reposted by others, posts you might like and go to posts from accounts you follow and you need to turn it off. And with that you will successfully remove you may like suggestions on TikTok on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.